Welcome to Drive to Thrive, where we dive into the world of goal setting and achievement. In this YouTube video, we'll explore 10 powerful subtopics that will guide you in setting meaningful goals and taking consistent action towards their realization. Hey there, Drive to Thrive community. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and achieve your dreams? Today, we'll equip you with the tools and strategies to set goals that truly matter and stay committed to their achievement. Let's get started. Number 1. Clarifying your vision. Clarifying your vision. To set meaningful goals, you must have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Take time to define your aspirations, values, and passions. When your goals align with your vision, they become a powerful driving force. Reflect on your desires and create a vision board or journal to visualize your goals. Immerse yourself in the emotions of achieving those goals. Let your vision guide you towards setting specific and inspiring goals. Number 2. Smart goals. Smart goals. Setting goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound is key to effective goal setting. Break down your vision into smaller, actionable steps. Make your goals specific, measurable, and attainable. Ensure they are relevant to your overall vision and set realistic deadlines. Smart goals provide a clear roadmap to success. Number 3. Creating an action plan. Creating an action plan. Goals without a plan are merely wishes. Develop a well-defined action plan to guide you towards your goals. Identify the specific tasks, milestones, and deadlines required to achieve your goals. Break them down into manageable steps and create a timeline. A detailed action plan keeps you focused, organized, and accountable. Number 4. Prioritizing your goals. Prioritizing your goals. It's important to prioritize your goals based on their importance and urgency. Assess the significance of each goal and its alignment with your vision. Determine which goals require immediate attention and which can be pursued later. Prioritizing helps you allocate your time and energy effectively. Number 5. Tracking your progress. Tracking your progress. Monitoring your progress is essential to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments along the way. Use tools like journals, spreadsheets, or mobile apps to track your progress. Celebrate small victories and evaluate areas that need improvement. Regular assessment keeps you motivated and accountable. Number 6. Overcoming obstacles. Overcoming obstacles. Challenges are inevitable on the path to goal achievement. It's crucial to develop resilience and strategies to overcome them. Anticipate potential obstacles and brainstorm strategies to tackle them. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and adapt your approach. Cultivate resilience, perseverance, and a positive mindset to overcome any hurdles. Number 7. Celebrating milestones. Celebrating milestones. Celebrating your progress is essential to maintain motivation and a sense of accomplishment. Acknowledge and reward yourself when you reach milestones. It boosts your confidence, reinforces positive habits, and keeps the momentum going. Celebrate each step forward on your journey. Number 8. Accountability and support. Accountability and support. Having accountability and support systems in place enhances your chances of goal achievement. Share your goals with a trusted friend, family member, or mentor who can hold you accountable. Join communities or online groups that share similar aspirations. Surround yourself with individuals who support and encourage your growth. Number 9. Continuous learning and adaptation. Continuous learning and adaptation. Goal setting is a dynamic process that requires continuous learning and adaptability. Stay open to acquiring new knowledge, skills, and perspectives that can help you navigate challenges and refine your goals. Be willing to adapt your strategies and approaches as needed to stay on track. Number 10. Persistence and resilience. Persistence and resilience. Persistence and resilience are key ingredients for long-term goal achievement. Stay committed to your goals, even in the face of adversity. Embrace setbacks as opportunities to grow stronger. Believe in your abilities, stay focused, and never give up. Your persistence and resilience will carry you forward. Congratulations! You now have 10 powerful insights to guide you in setting meaningful goals and achieving them. Remember, it's through consistent action and unwavering belief in yourself that you'll turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for watching this video on goal setting and achievement. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in your journey towards success. If you enjoyed this content and want to receive more motivational insights, be sure to subscribe to the Drive to Thrive channel. Remember, your dreams are within reach. Stay focused, stay determined, and keep taking consistent action towards your goals. Thank you for being a part of Drive to Thrive.